everyone, and welcome to today's webinar where we will be reviewing how to treat an acute stroke in ACLS. Outcomes for individuals with stroke have improved significantly due to the implementation of acute stroke system of care. The community is better equipped to recognize stroke as a brain attack, and there is greater awareness of the importance of medical care within 1 hour of symptom onset. Likewise, EMS systems have been enhanced to transport individuals to regional stroke care centers that are equipped to administer fibrolytics. The steps in the stroke chain of survival include recognizing symptoms and activating the EMS, timely EMS response, transport to and notify stroke, guideline-based stroke care, and finally quality post-stroke care. The overall goal of stroke care is to minimize brain injury and optimize the individual's recovery. Preferential transport to stroke-capable centers have been shown to improve outcomes. Stroke centers are equipped with resources often not available at smaller community hospitals. The presence of specialists, including neurologists and stroke care specialists, multidisciplinary teams, experienced in stroke care, advanced imaging modalities, and other therapeutic options may transport to stroke centers the most suitable option. The goal of the stroke team, emergency physician, or other expert should be to assess the individual with suspected stroke within 10 minutes. The 8 Ds of stroke care highlight the major steps of diagnosis and treatment of stroke and key points at which delays can occur. The 8 Ds are as follows. Detection, which is rapid recognition of stroke systems. Dispatch, early activation and dispatch of EMS by 911. Delivery, rapid EMS identification, management, and transport. DOOR, transport to stroke center. Data, rapid triage, evaluation, and management in ED. Decision, stroke expertise and therapy selection. Drug, fibrolytic therapy, intra-arterial strategies. Disposition, rapid admission to the stroke unit or critical care unit. Here's the acute stroke algorithm. This will be discussed in more detail in a later webinar. Don't forget we offer online ACLS certification on our site. You can find a link in the description. We encourage you to become certified as soon as possible, whether that be on your own time with an online course or in an in-classroom setting. So thank you so much for tuning into today's webinar. We will catch you the next time.